Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML lesson with Jevizo. Yeah, now before starting, I would like to ask you the question. See on your screen and see this statement, which is lesson, then HTML style. See this background color. What do you think about it? Have you ever used this background color in your HTML page? Yeah, if yes, it's very stunning, but if no, please, it's time to keep watching this video until the end. You will be able how to use and understand this background, right? Yeah, also, if you are new here, let me introduce you about what we already learned. You see on your screen, the first lesson was about heading, heading, and also we covered paragraph. We also learned about list, either ordered, unordered, and nested list. Now, as you see, we are going to deal with our HTML style, as you see on your screen in this red background, right? So let me start to show you how you can use this background. You see, as I already said, we are going to deal with HTML style, right? See in this title here, the HTML style, right? Is what we are going to deal with. And as I already showed you on screen, this is what we're going to deal with. A lesson called HTML style and is written in red color. But you see here, you can change it as you see on your screen. For example, when I click here, I can change it to green, and then I can save it. And when I refresh my page, will be changed. You see, this is how you can change background color. Now I'm going to show you how you can now insert the background color in your HTML page, right? But first of all, you have to understand what you call HTML style. See on your screen, the HTML style attribute is used to add style to an element. Do you know what element is? If no, please go back and watch our video, the video that talked about it, right? And in the simple word, the HTML and element is a combination of HTML tags, content be displayed, right? And see, cross tag. If I say cross tag, of course I start with open tag, content, and then cross tag, right? So in that style can be a color, you see, font size, and more. Means that there are the different styles, right? But now we're going to deal with this one, which is a color. Now first we use the HTML style attribute and the following syntax. The syntax of HTML style is the tag name. First of all, we have to write a tag name. For example, can be a body, can be a heading, can be a paragraph, like that. Then style, put keyword style here as a name of attribute, then property or values here, right? Now can be here like a color, then color name, right? Now I'm going to show you how you can use it, right? As you see in this HTML style lesson, the first one is going to be a background color. We are going to show how you can set a background color for a page. This is the first sub lesson, and then also how to set a background color for an element. If I say element, I mean like the one statement in the HTML page, right? Now first of all, to set a background color on a page, as you see here, you have to work on it when you open your body, right? When you open the body of your HTML page, because all of elements in the body must behave the same features, right? So means that when I start my program and once I reach here, I automatically add the style when I need it, right? And as I showed you, the syntax of style is a HTML tag. This is the body here. Now style keyword, you see, then we use equal and then set what you want to set there. You see, I showed you that is a property and then value, right? Here my property, I can say is a background color. As I told you, we are going to set a background color in our HTML page. That's why we have to write a background color here. Then now choose a color that you want. There are the different options. You see, there are different options. You can choose the right one for you and your audience. Yeah, now let me click like this on gold donut, or I can click on green, gray, and so on and so forth. But now let me click on this green yellow. You see, once I select it, now I can go back. First I have to save it, then go back on my website, and then I have to refresh it so as to show the background color of all this HTML page. You see, now it's already inserted. Yeah, this is the first lesson, how you can insert the background color in your entire HTML page, right? So now after this, now I'm going to show you now how you can set a background color for the HTML element, right? If I say element is like this, how this made. You see, I already inserted the background color, which is green on this statement called lesson HTML style. And as you see also here, I can change it. You see, now let us make it red. You see, now red. Yeah, already it's changed, and I can show it by saving this change and then come back and refresh my page. You see, it's already changed in the red. Now how to insert it in a HTML document? Yeah, firstly here, but remember, for HTML background color for a page, you have to use this syntax. Is a body, as I showed you, then style. After style, we have to put equal here and then write it like background color. Then after this, you have now to put here double dot and then choose the color can be red, for example, right? And remember to put here semicolon. Yeah, this is the syntax. Yeah, right? Also you can put here this so as to make it clear, right? Now for the set a background color for the element, here what you do now, also the syntax is the same as here. It's like for body, but the difference is this. For body is when we want to set the background color of entire page of HTML, but here is only for the one statement in HTML page. For example, I can write like this. Here is a tag. It's not just a body, because a body is one for entire HTML. But for now, we can write this. We can write this. Let me write like heading 1. I can use heading 1 as tag, then style. As you see in this syntax, after style I can write like also is background color like this. Then after this I can set a color that I want to display in my page. Let me choose this one, dark blue. You see, Now after finished, you have now to close your HTML, your heading, right? Your heading tag. And then after, you have to put here element, what you want to be displayed in this style. Yeah, in the dark blue color is what I'm going to write here. Let me write this. This is background color, for example. Background color, like this. You see? Means that this word will be displayed with this style, where it will be displayed in the dark blue, right? Yeah, let me save it and refresh my site to show you how it will be displayed, right? See? You see? This one. This is a background color, right? So this is that words I already written, and this is that background color I set it, right? Yeah, so this is the way you can use a background color in your HTML page, right? Yeah, but this was a first lesson about the background color. I really invite you to for the second one, which will be about the text color, right? Where you can write the statement, you see, like this, but for example like this lesson, but in its color, where I will write that as forward color. You see? Yeah, forward color, where we change the only the color of this alphabets, right? Yeah, instead of changing the background of these words. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. This is the end of our today's lesson, but I really invite you to watch the next one. But if also you're confused about this lesson, please go back and watch the other lessons related to the HTML. We already implemented it, so you can go back and watch it so as to be aware of how you can use this HTML programming language. So thank you. Let me see you in the next video.